Dimensity 7300 is ready for the next generation smartphones.
London-based company Nothing has launched another smartphone that will give a head-on competition to OnePlus. Yes, this is the CMF Phone 1, which has been launched in India, and it is the first ever CMF smartphone from Nothing. The company followed the same strategy it did for its Nothing phones, offering a unique design with a good set of specs on paper. You can't ignore this phone because its design is very different. You can see the partnership between DNAG Engineering and CMF and Nothing. Well, the Phone 1 comes with a removable back cover which will not cost you more than 14 to 1500 and packs a latest mid-range MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset under the hood. This phone is priced at Rs 15,999 for the 6GB and 128GB storage, and also there's another variant which is 8GB plus 128GB storage variant, priced at Rs 17,999. You can buy this phone from 12th July from Flipkart. Also, as part of the launch, the CMF phone will be on discount and will cost you 14,999, which apparently is the launch price. This time, Nothing is selling the accessories separately. These include a lanyard, a stand and a card holder, with each of them costing Rs 799. Also, the removable back cover will be available in different colors, including blue, black, orange and light green. Each, as I told you, is going to be priced around 1499. Also, the phone charger will have to be purchased separately and it will not come in the box, which will charge you about 799. Also, the 799 price will be the offer price for those who will be buying the CMF phone. Well, talking about the specification, it has 6.7 inches full HD plus AMOLED display, 120Hz of refresh rate with a punch hole display design. Like we told you, it has a MediaTek Dimensity processor chipset, and yes, you'll get 2 years of Android updates. Device is currently running Android 14. For biometric, well, Nothing has provided an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is better than having side-mounted sensors. Also, it has 5000 mAh of battery with 33 watts of fast charging. Well, talking about the cameras, it has 50 megapixel of dual setup rear cameras, and in the front it has 16 megapixel of selfie camera. Well, that's the Nothing phone for you, and if you want to know more, well, just comment in the comment section and we'll get back to you.